Hi everyone, my name is Jamie Horde. I'm the founder of Horderly Professional Organizing and the Chief Organizing Officer at MakeSpace. Today we're going to go over a few tips on how to prepare for a home renovation. Whether your renovation is big or small, the first thing you'll want to do is declutter and take inventory. This is going to help you plan and design your new space so that it's functional for what you have. Hire a pro. There are a lot of moving parts when it comes to a renovation. Professional organizers like Horderly can help you declutter and take inventory. General contractors will help manage all things construction, and interior designers will help your vision come to life. Things are going to get dirty, so make sure you pack up and store away as much as possible. MakeSpace makes storage super easy because they come pick up your items, store them away safely and organized, and deliver them back as soon as your renovation is complete. We work with clients all the time who are renovating their space, and through my own personal experience of renovation, if there's one thing we've learned, it's to be flexible and patient. Understand that it will get worse before it gets better. Renovations usually take longer than expected, and always have plan Bs if something doesn't work out. Leave any questions in the comments below and have fun during your renovation.